Hey everyone, today I'll show you how you can enable on-screen keyboard on OBS Studio. So first you want to just go to this link right here that I have in the description. Now you want to just click on this and it should download like this. Now what you want to do is right click it and you want to extract it. Once you've extracted, just open it up and then you can just open no board. Once this pops up, you can just right click and click load keyboard and you can just choose your category. I'm just going to use this JOAO7YT and now I'm just going to choose this one right here and click close. As you can see, I have my keyboard right here. Now what you want to do is just go to the OBS and then you can choose sources by clicking on this plus icon and then go to window capture. Once you're here, you want to just click on this window tab right here and select no board. Click OK and you can just right click this source, which is the window capture, and go to filters and then click on this plus icon. You can go to chroma key, OK, and then you can change this to blue. Click close and you should be good. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave down in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Be sure to subscribe and thanks for watching.